Hey, what's going on, guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 5 high-paying online jobs. What's going on, guys? Before I get started with today's video, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 high-paying online jobs. So the first job I want to talk about is video animation. Now what this is video projects that you create for Kickstarter or Indiegogo, or even making animated explainer videos. So if you know how to create animated videos, this is a great way to make money, because there's always people who are coming out with new inventions and ideas through Kickstarter and Indiegogo who need somebody to animate their video to explain how their new product or service works. The second online high-paying job is through website development and design. Now this can be simply just creating a website through WordPress. Now WordPress can be templated, but it's quick and efficient, and it looks great with all the themes that it has available. If you know how to create a website through WordPress, you can provide that service to other people and charge a good amount of money for it. People are willing to pay anywhere between $500 to $5,000 depending on what they want on their website. Now the third high-paying online job is through writing. There's a big demand for people who need others to edit or write their content for them, such as their business plan, or even writing or editing their books for them, especially if the person isn't a native English speaker and they want their content written out correctly. Now the fourth online high-paying job is through Photoshop. Now this doesn't just pertain to Photoshop, because there's a lot of big companies who are looking for professionals to do their PowerPoint presentations, their keynote presentations, infographics, to make brochures for them, and they're willing to pay top dollars to have it done by a professional. Now the fifth high-paying online job is through affiliate marketing. Now this is my personal favorite right here, because this is a simple way to make a full-time income online. This is just simply promoting other people's products online and making a commission every time somebody makes a purchase through your specific affiliate link. You don't have to worry about inventory, about shipping anything out. All you have to focus on is just getting traffic to your affiliate link. There's plenty of people making 6 figures a year just with this method alone. And that's pretty much all that I have today. And if you guys stuck around long enough to the end of this video, I appreciate you. And if you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing today, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and you guys can check that out. And like I said, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification, because I'm gonna have a lot of great content coming out in the future. And let me know in the comments what you guys think about these methods. Have you guys tried any of them? And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.